However, the Python's parsing update, when we do some kind of data collection from the internet, we'll face a lot of date format, and it can be quite frustrating. And for instance, we have days, okay, then you can have, okay, today is March 18, and you can have March 18, and you can have all types of format, and all of them are valid. Okay, and we can even have this in the World Trade Organization websites. So we have the American format and have European format and the Japanese format. Okay. Now, how can we standardize them and convert whatever this kind of format to a standardized format in ISO? And that is a way. First, we import the statement parser, and suppose here is okay. We for example that is October 13. Okay, and we'll find and the result is in the ISO format. Okay, and we can let go that part. Then we have slide them, and we get a nice ISO format. Okay, then see whether it work for that date. Days, no, days, and we have to print. Okay, then see what happens, and we find out we got all with a standardized format, no matter what. Okay, whether it is in English format, in American format, and British format, whatever, we get a standardized format ISO. Okay, so thank you for listening to my sharing of this little trick, and hope you enjoy it, and I will continue to share some of my experience that I faced in using Python and Emacs during the course of my work. Okay, thank you. Goodbye.